Regions, provinces, and capitals of the Philippines. Region 1, Ilocos, Ilocos Norte, capital Laog City. Ilocos Sur, capital Vigan City. La Union, capital San Fernando City. Pangasinan, capital Lingayen. Region 2, Cagayan Valley. Batanes, capital Basco. Cagayan, capital Tuguegarao City. Isabela, capital Ilagan. Nueva Vizcaya, capital Bayumbong. Quirino, capital Cabarugis. Region 3, Central Luzon. Aurora, capital Baler. Bataan, capital Balanga City. Bulacan, capital Malolo City. Pampanga, capital San Fernando City. Nueva Ecija, capital Palayan City. Tarlac, capital Tarlac City. Zambales, capital Iba. Region 4A, Calabarzon. Batangas, capital Batangas City. Cavite, capital Tres Martires City. Laguna, capital Santa Cruz. Quezon, capital Lucena City. Rizal, capital Antipolo City. Region 4B, Mimaropa. Marinduque, capital Baoc. Occidental Mindoro, capital Mamburao. Oriental Mindoro, capital Calapan City. Palawan, capital Puerto Princesa City. Romblon, capital Romblon. Region 5, Bicol. Albay, capital Legazpi City. Camarines Norte, capital Dait. Camarines Sur, capital Pili. Catanduanes, capital Verac. Masbate, capital Masbate City. Sorsogon, capital Sorsogon City. Region 6, Western Visayas. Aklan, capital Calibo. Antique, capital San Jose. Capiz, capital Rojas City. Guimaras, capital Jordan. Iloilo, capital Iloilo City. Negros Occidental, capital Bacolod City. Region 7, Central Visayas. Bohol, capital Tagbilaran City. Cebu, capital Cebu City. Negros Oriental, capital Dumaguete City. Siquijor, capital Siquijor. Region 8, Eastern Visayas. Biliran, capital Naval. Eastern Samar, capital Borongan City. Leyte, capital Tacloban City. Northern Samar, capital Catarman. Southern Leyte, capital Maasin City. Western Samar, capital Catbalogan City. Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga del Norte, capital Dipolog City. Zamboanga del Sur, capital Pagadian City. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital Ipil. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Bukidnon, capital Malay-Balay City. Camiguin, capital Mambadjao. Lanao del Norte, capital Tubod. Misamis Occidental, capital Araqueta City. Misamis Oriental, capital Cagayan de Oro City. Region 11, Davao. Compostela Valley, capital Nabunturan. Davao del Norte, capital Tagum City. Davao del Sur, capital Digos City. Davao Oriental, capital City of Mati. Region 12, Sorsogon. Cotabato or North Cotabato, capital Kidapawan City. Sarangani, capital Alabel. South Cotabato, capital Coronadal City. Sultan Kudarat, capital Isulan. Region 13, Caraga. Agusan del Norte, capital Cabadbaran City. Agusan del Sur, capital Prosperidad. Dinagat Islands, capital San Jose. Surigao del Norte, capital Surigao City. Surigao del Sur, capital Tandag City. ARMM or Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao. Basilan, capital Basilan. Lanao del Sur, capital Marawi City. Maguindanao, capital Sharif Agwak. Sharif Kabunsuan, capital Datu Odin Sinsuat. Sulu, capital Hulu. Tawi-Tawi, capital Panglima Sugala. Car Region or Cordillera Administrative Region. Abra, capital Baged. Apayao, capital Cabugao. Inget, capital La Trinidad. Ifugao, capital Lagawi. Kalinga, Capital Tabuk. Mountain Province, Capital Buntok. NCR or the National Capital Regions. Cities: Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Manila, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Navotas, Parañaque, Pasay, Pasig, Quezon City, San Juan, Taguig, and Valenzuela, and Municipality of Pateros. Regions, provinces, and capitals of the Philippines.